Sean Langston says, right. I'm the same way. Yeah, man. That's the way I approach the problem. That's the way I approach it. This is a team effort, and that's like takes so much load. When I first started doing risk management, and when I started doing it, it was called DITSCAP. That's how long ago. We were using the rainbow series of books. That should tell you how old I am. So when I first started doing it, I would get stressed out because I would take on all the responsibility. I didn't understand that it's a team effort. You need multiple people to do the job. And another thing I would do is I try to fill everything out myself. I may know something about the auditing feature on this Windows 10 or this Windows 2016 server, but the system administrator knows it better than me. I may know something about it, but the system administrator looks at it every day. So the best thing I can do is go to the system administrator and say, excuse me, sir, ma'am, like, this is what I have for the auditing feature, and I've written, here it is right here. Is this accurate? Right? And 9 times out of 10, they'll correct it. It'll take a couple minutes. No, see, what we do here is we use Splunk. The auditing goes to Splunk, and then it goes to the security ops team or whatever. So rely on the team. Don't try to take on all tasks. That's what I used to do when I just started. Don't just make stuff up. Just go and talk to the actual individuals who actually manage those things. And it's a team, Okay, let me see. Marianne C says, can you help me with an interview and I will pay you? Marianne C, here's my contact information on that. Let's see what we can do. There's my contact information. That's my email right there, that bottom one. Contact me. Tell me what you want. Very specific, like what you want, what job you're going for, what you're doing, and we'll talk. That sounds like fun, mock interview. I'm reading for a CISM exam. Oh, that's cool. CISM. That's a good certification. I thought about taking either CRISC or CISA because that's a real good one for financial industry, right? Am I right or wrong? Seems like it is. Seems like that's the one they're always looking for. Thanks for your help. Appreciate you guys. Okay, guys. Hey, I gotta hit the road. This is a short one today, but thanks for all your questions. Appreciate everybody, and I wanted to give a special big thank you to everybody who's bought a course. Man, I really appreciate it. You guys have helped a Black-owned business, so you should feel proud of yourself. I appreciate everybody. No, seriously, thanks for everything. Thanks for your great questions. And I'll definitely be getting back to everybody who has asked me questions on the site. And I will see you guys next week. Appreciate everybody. Stay safe out there. Take COVID-19 seriously. And hopefully we'll get through this together, guys.